My name is Eduardo Meliton, and together with my partner Ricardo, we work on the modeling and assembly of a tractor at SolidWorks. We are students of the Polytechnic University of Oxalotepec of the engineering degree in manufacturing technologies, and we are studying the third quadrimestre. This work is our final project for the engineering drawing subject. The parts molded in this project are front tire, front nut 2, front rim 2, front axle, back coupling, arm caliper 2, leaf rod 2, pivot 2, steering wheel, front tire axle mounting 2, front tire axle mounting 2, backlight 2, back coupling, support, leaf arm 2, leaf arm 2, leaf arm mounting, like 2, back rim 2, back rim support 2, back up 2, back tire 2, hood 1, hood 2, dashboard, wheel cover right, wheel cover left, pivot axle, transmission box, clutch box, set front, grille and back axle 2. The plans were not the exception and were also elaborate.
The assembly began by inserting the back axle in the center point. After the clutch box, under the back axle the back coupling was inserted and then the back coupling support. The lift arm was inserted on the back axle. Later it was assembled the lifting system, in which parts such as the lift arm, pivot, lift rod, arm caliper, and lift arm 2 were used. Then, we proceeded to assemble the box transmission and the clutch box, and the seat on the lift arm mounting. Then, I inserted the dashboard on the steering wheel on the clutch box. Later, the two back wheel covers were assembled on the back axle. Then, the hood 2 and the front grille were assembled in front of it. Then, I assembled the pivot axle under the front grille, and later the front axle was assembled right there.
To create this model, the software SolidWorks was used, and then an animation with realistic graphics was created.
My experience with the software SolidWorks has been positive throughout this quadrimester in which I have been getting involved with it. Previously I had already worked with it, but it was not really familiar for me. Now, at the end of this course, I can say that my knowledge and practice has expanded more. I think that it's a very interesting tool and I hope to continue learning more about it.
The experience that I can share when I using SolidWorks is that I start from scratch to the degree that I did not know about the existence of this tool, but as I became familiar with it, I loved working on the tool science. It is useful and woke up in the curiosity to the see things from scratch which I captured in my mind.